Today we're going to do a sweater weather inspired makeup tutorial on these eyes right here. I got some inspiration. The word just left me. I got some inspiration from Pinterest. We're gonna just dive right into this because it is fun, quick, easy, affordable, using a Morphe palette. And you know how we do around here, so let's just get started. Sweater weather aesthetic is here. Yes, the candle, it smells good. Now we're gonna do the makeup because it'll look good. And I'm gonna use the Morphe 35T, I think it is. I don't know, 35TE, T's the season. I don't know. It's a really great palette. I've used it so many times. It has a lot of nudes, even some colors in here. So we're gonna go for the fall cozy vibe aesthetic. So first things first, we're gonna take this just plain white kind of bone shade, put it all over the lid, go up to the brow bone just for a nice base. This is what I normally do. It helps the other shades blend so much better on top of it. I'm gonna take this light brown shade right here and just go in my crease with a fluffy blending brush. This and the first step with the white kind of bone shade, that is what I do no matter what eyeshadow I'm going for. It just kind of lays the groundwork for the rest of the steps that you're gonna do, and it makes everything flow a little bit better. Now I think I'm gonna take this shade called Privacy Please, this shade right here, on the same big fluffy blending brush and putting that right in my crease. Kind of just where I laid that first transition shade, but I'm not going anywhere on my lid or into my brow bone with it. Just kind of right there in the crease. Because I really want that shade to stick out because I think it's just a really pretty color. So we're gonna blend everything else up into that shade. Sorry if my angles keep changing, my batteries keep dying, okay? And I'm sweating, so this is fun. This is so much fun. Now I think I'm gonna take this shade called Naughty List. I think that was that one I was looking for. Yes, this shade right here. I'm gonna put that in my inner corner and in my outer corner and blend that together. So what I mean, let's do the outer corner first. I'm gonna stamp. Let me get a little bit more. I'm gonna stamp it and then get one for the inner, stamp it. Kind of like a halo eye, but we're gonna make it more blended, I guess, because when I think of cozy sweater weather, I think of something very comfy and no harsh lines and just like a nice blanket, nice sweater. And so that's what I want this look to be as well. Now I'm going to take that same fluffy blending brush and I'm going to mix the first two colors. So I'm going to mix this shade right here, which was that first transition shade, and then this pinky shade together, and then just go right over into my crease again, just blending everything together. And then that's gonna kind of finish off the top part, and then the only thing we need to do is kind of fill in this middle space right here. I love blending eyeshadow. Some people don't like it because it can take a long time, but the payoff is so worth it, and it's like satisfying to me. For the inner corner, I'm not gonna put any sparkle or anything because sweater weather to me, there's no sparkles, okay? We're just very, bland is not a good word, but you get what I'm saying. So I'm gonna go in with that same bone shade right here and just pop that in the middle, keeping it everything matte. And you see how it kind of just diffuses everything, and then just take that fluffy blending brush, blend everything together, and the top is done. So now I'm just gonna move on to the bottom. I'm gonna mix the two transition shades again. So this one and this one, just put that right underneath and blend it into the top, just like that, but not going like too far down my eye because I don't want it to be like, turn into like a super smoky look. And we're done. That was super easy. Okay, so now I'm gonna do eyeliner and I'm gonna do lashes, which I'm just gonna put some mascara on, and I'll be back to show you the finished look. This is the final look. I think it turned out so good, so cozy, so sweater weather. I hope you guys enjoyed this. As always, don't forget to like it if you did. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what fall tutorial you'd like to see next because these are actually really fun. Love them. And then don't forget to subscribe and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.